Hi friends, welcome to codewithsugi YouTube channel. So today we're going to discuss about comments in Java. Okay, so for that I'm going to create a new project. Okay, I'm going to say comments project. So before we get into this, if you are new to our channel and if you are not aware of what we have discussed till date, so you don't need to worry. We always used to add all the links in the description so that you can go ahead and have a look on the previous videos. Now I'm going to create a package. Okay, then now I'm going to create a class. Okay, so I'm going to say comments in Java. I need a main method, so I'm going to say main method. Okay, so Eclipse is giving one option to configure your comments. Okay, say for example, I will show you one base class. Okay, so that you can understand it very well. But before that, we have an option like, do you want to add comments? Okay, so by default, it's having set of comments which will be added into the class whenever you create it. Okay, we will see what is that. So just click here. Okay, you will get code templates. Okay, fine. So here if you see enable project specific settings and you have a configure workspace settings. Okay, if you click on it, you could see right there is two options. One is comments and another one is code. We have so many things here. Whenever you create a new file, if you want to add comments, then if you select this will be automatically applied to your newly created classes. Okay, there is nothing in this method body. I think body of the statement you will get it. Okay, so this always we used to get whenever we create a class, right? So whenever you create a class, you will have a main method, and that in main method you will get auto generate method stuff. This will be automatically generated, right? Already they have certain things, but now I am going to say whenever I create a new file, try to add this. Okay, I'm going to select the new file. Then in the comment sections you have files, so this multi-line comment will be applied. If it is type, then this multi-line comment will be applied. Fields, okay, it will go like this. Constructor, methods, overriding methods, delegating method. So here you can configure it very well. For now I'm going to say code new Java files. Okay, and then apply and close. Okay, here you have to enable this. Okay, then only it will get enabled. See here, select this one and then apply and close. Okay, then you have to select this generate comment. I'm going to say finish. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create another one class. I will say like without comments. I'm going to select main method alone. I'm going to say finish. Okay, see, so in this wo comments class, okay, there is no multi-line comments like this because we got this due to the option which we have selected during the class creation. I think now it's clear, right? So here you could see two different types of comments. Okay, the one is starting with the slash and then star and then ending with the slash. The another one is we have double slash comments like this. Then this will be called as single line comment. And if you have this kind of comments, okay, then this will be called as multi-line comment because we have many lines, right? By default it will give you some options whenever you put at. Okay, so see, these many things by default it will give you. So whatever you want, you can select it. Okay, if you want to keep a version, then there is a version, and if you want to specify the category, then you can very well use the at category. And if you want to specify if anything is deprecated, that is no longer this will be available, then you can say it is deprecated. Okay, so there are so many things available in this. Okay, so you can use this also. So I'm going to say there is since, right? Since I'm going to say 2023 like this. If you want to say version, say like version 1.0. Okay, whatever you want, you can specify it here. Now we understood about what is the single line comment and what is the multi-line comment. Okay, you have to understand one thing. Whenever you are commenting something, then that will not be considered for the program execution. So to show something in the base, okay, say for example, go to base, go to lang, whatever you want you can take. Okay, like I will take byte. See, on the top they are specifying about the copyright. Okay, so likewise, if you want to specify any general thing, okay, then you can use this multi-line command. Whatever general item you have, you can specify it in this multi-line comment. Okay, that is the use of this comment, and it will come before the package. Okay, if you want, just you can open any file and you can read it. Okay, then before the class, okay, before this class we have one multi-line comment, right? It will talk about what is the purpose of this class. If you want to specify what is the main purpose of this class, if you want to specify, and if you want to give some example, then you can very well specify these things before the class multiline comment. Okay, then you will get a comment for the variables also, that is used to specify what is the real use of this variable, or why we are having this variable. Okay, so all those things you can specify it here. Likewise, you can have a comment line before the method also. Here we going to tell about how many parameters it's going to take, what is the return value of this method if we have a return value. All those things we have to specify here. So if you specify like this, at the end of the run, if you generate the Java document, then you will get the output like this. Say for example, byte. Okay, so here see, you could see, right, the byte class wraps a value primitive. So whatever data you are having here and whatever you have specified in the comments, okay, on top of the class, whatever you have specified, and that will be coming here, right? So since from which version they are telling, see, also if you want to refer, you have to refer all those things you can give. Now you can visualize what is the real use of comments, right? So the real use of the comments is to generate the Java document for more readability. Okay, so instead of you are coming and seeing what are all the methods we have or how we can access all those things, instead of you come and see it here, just you can see it in the document itself. So if you click on overview, you could see all the things here. Say for example, if you want to go to Java lang, then click on it, you will get the classes whatever you have in the Java lang. Okay, see, everything is coming up here, right? You want to see the byte, then click on it, and you will be landed it here. If you want to see methods, you can just have a look on it here. It's saying like it's a byte value. There is a method called byte value. Okay, and what is the return type? It's going to return byte. Is there any static method? You can click on it, and the static method alone will be showing up here. If you want to see is there any instance method, then you can click on it, that will showing up here. If you want to see is there any concrete method, you can just click on it, it will show it here. Okay, fine. So all those different types of methods we will see in the method section. So now you have to understand like what is the real use of the comments. Okay, the comments will be mainly used to generate the Java data. So that's the reason whenever you are trying to write a program, always try to add the comments. Okay, now we will see is there any shortcut is available to make these comments. Okay, so now I am going to create a private integer num equal to 10. Okay, now I want to create a multi-line command before this. Okay, then you can say slash, then one star, then if you hit enter, then you will get the multi-line command. Okay, or if you want to do through keyboard shortcut, okay, now you have like this. If you want to comment all this, okay, just select this and then do control shift forward slash. Okay, now I think you can able to see, right? So what I did was you have to press control plus shift plus forward slash. So this is the shortcut which you need to use to comment the section. Okay, so if there is a shortcut to comment it, then there should be a shortcut to uncomment it, right? So that will be control plus shift plus backward slash. So if you use this one, then it will do the uncomment. Control shift forward slash, then it will do the comment. Okay, we will see in action. Now control shift forward slash, it's commented. Again control shift backward slash, it's uncommented. Okay, so it will come like this after you do the uncomment. So if you want to do the format, we have a shortcut like control shift F. Okay, if you do control shift F to format, control, I think we already discussed this, control shift plus F. This is the shortcut which you need to do to format your code. Okay, the same way if you want to comment a single line, just select and control shift forward. Okay, control shift backward uncommented. So I think that's all about comments in Java. So if you guys have any doubts in this, please put your comments in the comment box so that we will have a look and we will try to revert back as soon as possible. Thanks for watching our videos. Please subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Keep supporting us. Thank you.